While Australia, the EU, and the US have banned the import of dog and cat fur, investigations show that Chinese dog and cat fur is frequently mislabeled as fox, rabbit, or mink. Each year in China, around 2 million dogs and cats are bred, stolen from homes, or taken from the street, squeezed into wire cages, and sometimes transported for days without food or water to be hanged, bled, beaten, or strangled to death, or even skinned alive. Around 450,000 puppies are sold in Australia each year. Around 85% come from unregistered breeders, but with minimal oversight in place, even the registered breeders may operate puppy factories, churning out both pure and mixed breed puppies for sale in pet stores or online. In these factories, it can be entirely legal to keep a mother dog confined to a barren concrete cell in a shed for 23 hours a day, continually re-impregnated. They are denied love and companionship, treated instead as breeding machines. These cute puppies, sold for thousands of dollars, often suffer from diseases or other health conditions or behavioral difficulties as a result of the conditions they were exposed to in the farm and generations of selective breeding.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, good. Will you be getting more of the golden retrievers in?
Yes, golden retriever. If I'm not mistaken, it will be on this coming Saturday.
This coming Saturday?
Yes, yes.
Okay. And where they come from? Are they from a?
We have our own breeder.
Are they a puppy farm?
Obviously no, and puppy.
Oh, they're so beautiful.
So,
And it's a good breeder.
yeah, definitely they are registered.
So it's not like, because I've been hearing bad things about
the
puppy farms and stuff. It's not a puppy farm.
Puppy farm, you will get puppies really sick in there.
Sick puppies, okay.
Meanwhile, an estimated 200 to 250,000 surrendered or stray dogs and cats are euthanized each year in shelters and pounds across the country, the vast majority of them healthy but unwanted. Despite numerous widely publicised scandals in recent years, greyhound racing continues to be a large and powerful gambling and entertainment industry in Australia and around the world. The rapid acceleration and extreme speed at which these large dogs chase the lure around a track inevitably results in collisions, falls, and injuries, the most frequent being muscle tears, ligament ruptures, and tarsal fractures. Each week on Australian tracks, up to 200 dogs are reported injured, with an estimated 6 to 10 greyhounds either dying on track or being put down afterwards. Greyhounds have a natural lifespan of 12 to 14 years. Racing greyhounds begin their careers at around 18 months of age and finish by the time they are 4.5 years old. In New South Wales, they have a career that lasts, on average, for only 363 days. Between 13,000 and 17,000 young greyhounds are killed annually in Australia. Of the 97,000 bred in New South Wales in the 12-year period to 2016, 50 to 70% or more were killed because they were considered too slow or unsuitable for racing. There is a growing body of evidence showing greyhounds are frequently killed in inhumane ways, with trainers preferring the cheaper option of gunshot or bludgeoning over paying for a vet to euthanize. The dogs' bodies may then be dumped in pits on private properties or scattered in bushland. The use of live animals as bait when training greyhounds to chase the lure, though illegal, has been found to be widespread, to the 2015 New South Wales inquiry being told that 85 to 90% of trainers engage in the practice. Untold numbers of terrified piglets, rabbits, possums, chickens, and kittens have been torn apart for the sake of teaching otherwise gentle, sleepy animals to run around a track.